I have started in last class list. ठीक है, list. What is this? I have already told you that it is a collection of items. You can say elements also. Okay, and each item has its own index value. Now, what is the index value? Index value, like suppose that I have written 2. The new timetable. So accordingly, suppose that this is these are the values. Okay, so that 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so list here, if I will write, these are the value. Okay, then index number means the location of the value where it will save. Location, you can say the numbering will indexing you will do in the copy, like page number 1, page number 2, page number 3, same as here. Okay, so this is, we can start indexing from 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. The total number of values are 5. Okay, when you will index from start, then it is a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Same as when you will start from reverse order, from back, then the index number will be -1, -2, -3, -4 and -5. Then here it will not start, and that is called a negative index. It's called a negative index, and this is called a index. ठीक है, तो इंडेक्स क्या होते हैं? इंडेक्स आर द location where the value is stored, or you can say that where the address value where the main value will be inserted. Okay, like here 3, if I will write, suppose that these are the value which is equal to a, that means a 0 is equal to 3, a 1 is equal to 4, a -3 is equal to 5, and a2 is also is equal to 5. Okay, both are the same. So index of first item is 0 and the last item is n-1, you can say. Okay, so index first value जो होगी, the index is 0 and first item, and the last item is n-1. Okay, like AP, if you have learned about AP, arithmetic progression in class 10th. Okay, n is the number of items in a list, means 3 minus 1, like this. Okay, so 3 minus 1, suppose that here the number of terms are 5. Okay, so the last index number is 5 minus 4, which is 4. Here it is 4. Okay, so it is the last index number. ठीक है, तो लास्ट इंडेक्स नंबर क्या हुआ? n-1 is equal to 4, means 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Okay, in this manner you can find the index number. This is clear? Huh? Okay, now if you will see, now we will start creating a list. How to create a list? Okay, list creation, that is very important. List creation, how you will create a list. I have already told you that suppose that you will create a list, this is the variable, whatever the name you want to give, variable. Variable L is equal to, or the values are like a, whatever the number you want to give, 1, 2, here you can give the values, value 1, value 1, value 2, value 3, and whatever the number of values you want to define. Let's take an example. Suppose that this is the list 1. Okay, list 1 है. It is English. Suppose that I have given this. You will define a list in square brackets. Okay, comma, you will comma in two values in the here these numbers are in numeric form. Okay, so in list you can define a multiple data types in a list, like English is a string, Hindi is a string, 2000 is a number. Okay, so you can also give the characters, special characters like at, any underscore, any character you can also define in that. Okay, so this is the list 1. List 2, like this you can define 11, 12, 13, 14, like this. Okay, so here you have seen that the character or any string you will define within the small single braces or double braces. Okay, now if you want to print this, then you can print like this, print list 1. Okay, clear? Okay, suppose that now if you want to print a different type of value, like suppose that see here, print L0. I have told you recently, print L0. L I have defined, list I have not written. Okay, list, this is I have taken L only. Okay, so L0, then that means the value of L, any of L you can take. L0 means this is 0, this is 1, this is 2. Here this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Okay, now see, print L2, print L3, print L5. Can do the programming on that. Now see, okay, so if you will print L minus 3, the value of L minus 3 is what? L minus 3, if you will define, it is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and this is minus 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and minus 4. Okay, so according to this L2, list 2, the minus 3, the value of minus 3 will be 12, and according to minus list 1, the minus 3 value will be English. Okay, clear or not? List is clear or not? Ritika, clear? Okay, Yash, बोलिए.
वो तो पेपर का पैटर्न जो आपने सुधारा था ना, वो वाला पैटर्न आप मुझे भेज दीजिए, तो उसी पे पेपर बनाना दोबारा मुझे आसान हो जाएगा, बहुत ज़्यादा मेल कर देंगे ना.
भेजा था, जिसमें कह रहे हो वो ये सही नहीं आ रहा है, तो अभी तो क्लास लेने के बाद ही भेजेंगे. क्लास ठीक है, ठीक, भेज दो.
मैम जब निकलेंगी
ठीक है. So list is a list. This is called a list manipulation. ठीक है, इसको हम list manipulation, also we can say list manipulation. ठीक है. ठीक है, इसको हम लिस्ट मैनिपुलेशन भी बोलते हैं। चलो अब इसका हम लोग करते हैं छोटा सा प्रोग्राम। ठीक है, ये चलो देखते हैं। Are you able to see the programming window? Ideally दिख रही है सभी को? Okay. This is the list. Okay. Here this is the list I have, which I have already printed 7345. Okay. Suppose that if I will print this, then the output will be full list is 7345. Okay. Now let's do some changes. Some things which will print. Sorry. Print suppose a third value. Okay, value comma L2. ठीक है, print fourth value comma L 0 1 2 3. देखो अब यहाँ पे क्या मैंने फोर्थ वैल्यू आई एम प्रिंटिंग, आई वांट टू प्रिंट फोर्थ वैल्यू, देन द वैल्यू इज 3 हियर, दैट मीन्स द L minus 1 n minus 1. ठीक है, दैट मीन्स द वैल्यू इज 3 थर्ड. ओके, so same as suppose that if I want to negative indexing. ठीक है, negative index, suppose that I want to print -3. okay, अब एक साथ रन करता हूँ, -3 and -1. okay, now see what is the value of -3. If I have printed, now see this is the output of first list. So first list is this. Okay, now the third value according to this the value will be 4. Here see the third value is 4, the index will be L2. Same as fourth value here the value is 5, fourth value 0 1 2 3 and -1 according to fourth value is 5. Same as negative index -3 means क्या होना चाहिए 1 2 3. This is the -1 -2 and -3, that means the value is 3. So this is the value is 3. And same as -1, the first value from last it is the first value. Okay, -1 is the last index value. ठीक है, -1 is the last index value, that's why it is what -5 value 5. ठीक है, this is clear or not? Till this it is clear? Any confusion? Siddhi, Yash, Devansh, Anubhav, Aditya, Anumeha, Aprajita, Anumeha. Okay, now see next time. Now see, now let's do a little bit iteration in the list. Okay, iteration is by using for loop. Okay, so here looping, as you remember, for, okay, that is a variable name. In you can use, or range you can use. Len, I have told you, len and range. I have given that also. What is the use of range? Range, everybody have written wrong answer. Okay, everybody have written that sets range, maths. Okay, that is not a range in computer. There are different thing from math and computer. Okay, range is basically the minimum value and maximum value in order to print all the values. Okay, like 0 to 12, 0 to 10, that is the range. Okay, but here you have given that the answer is a class interval, that is wrong. Okay, well, let's see how you will use this. Now see, suppose that I have defined one list 1, simple. L1 is equal to 3, 5, 6, 9. Okay, length I have told you, L1 length I have told you. If you will give length, suppose this is the two-way you can define count. Suppose that I have written L is equal to len in the bracket L1. This will count the number of element in the list. Okay, in list में element count करने का काम करेगा. That means it is called a length. The len will use in many more places that I will tell you later. Okay, here the use of len is count the length of. अब इसको two तरीके से use कर सकते हैं. If this is the one way. Second, for I in I is a variable name, range. Okay, I have started from 0 to which place? L. If I will use L is equal to len dot li, or you can use len within the bracket L1. Okay, now colon and the print list I. Okay, now see, let's see in the ideally. Suppose that L list is equal to L is equal to five. Okay, now I want to type a list. I want to find the length of an n. Suppose that count I want is equal to len L1. Sorry, L. Okay, clear? Now for I in range within a bracket 0, n. Now here the n means the number of elements in the value. Okay, print L I. Okay, clear? Now see, here I have written I. In last program, when I have given told you about index number, I am giving a number of list, means number of the places of the element in -1, -2, -3. But I have not written over here, okay, because I have taken a loop over here. So whatever the number of loop will count, accordingly it will print. Means suppose that, चलो पहले इसको रन करके देखते हैं. See, this is the 7, 6, 9, 8, 10. Okay, so if this will print all the values at a time, okay, and you can do many more things in that, like suppose that I have defined